Viewers, in this tutorial we will learn how to start Microsoft Word quickly, how to insert a table, how to increase the width of a table, and how to change the border within a table. So let's start it quickly. We will press Windows plus R key from the keyboard. We will type WinWord, WINWORD. We will click on blank document, close. We will click on insert menu, table, and we will draw a table as per our requirement. We have drawn a table, so we will select and click on table layout and will increase the height of a table by clicking on this up rows. In this way we will click on four-headed arrow. This will select all the table. We will then move on table design. We will click pen color. We will choose a color that we want to apply for border, and we will click on border and all border. From here we will choose. We can also increase the border size and styles from here by applying these different themes and click on all border. So here we can see that we have applied our requisite changes. Thank you.